Assalamualaikum and greetings to all of you who are watching this video, especially our lecturer, Mr. Nazri. So this will be our group assignment business plan on the subject TMF4034 on Technopreneurship, brought to you by group CaffieneCoders. Hi, my name is Khairul Ariffin and I am the group leader of this project. So therefore, we are proposing to make a subscription-based advertising and public rating platform for tourism in general. Why do we do this? Is because we want to help the small, medium food and beverages enterprise by creating a platform that can leverage the marketing space for this SME establishment. This is so that we can make an equal opportunity for them to compete with the bigger brands in terms of advertising, marketing, and also in general audience exposure. By making this platform, we aim to cater this type of services, of course, subscription-based advertising to the subscribed users. And for the end user, we also give them public rating platform for tourism. This will enhance a company target market and also boost domestic tourism in terms of F&B business in general. Technological description of this is we cater for two main users, of course. First is the SME owner, which are users that are subscribed to our advertising program. This will cater them to a bigger audience, will showcase them to a bigger number of viewers and those who are interested locally and internationally. For the end users, we are catering for those who are using the platform, doesn't matter whether they are subscribed or not, so that they will be getting information about the F&B establishment near them, and they can also rate them and review them if they wish to do so. So all in all, this platform at the end of the day will help build local brands and boost tourism activity locally and internationally, because they will be used by both local and tourists alike. That's all for technological description. Now we move to the next presenter.
For the market analysis and strategies, the situation analysis is generally Malaysia offers a diverse range of delicacies due to its diverse ethnic, cultural, and historical settings. This meal may be found anywhere from a five-star restaurant to street corner sales. And as a result, our business was created one-step mobile application that alert users about the food so that we can help them by giving information on the location as well as the availability of this multi-layered and broad industry. So, for our objective is we provide a market platform to assist small food and beverage enterprise to enlarge their business target market as well as assisting to increase domestic tourism in element recreational local food business in general to stimulate economic growth. So for the marketing strategies that we use, we have two kind of feature, which is the feature description as well as the collect, analyze, and act on data. So we conduct a brainstorming process so that we can identify what kind of features that we want to include it in our business plan so that we can give a such useful app for user to use. And for the survey question, which is the common, which is the Google form, and this questionnaire was sent to our user inspection participant in order to obtain the comments and opinion in order to enhance our business. And this is roughly what our action plan looks like. We have create the board of directors, create and maintain the business strategy, design concept, development process, launch mobile application, human resources planning, as well as the monitor performance. And here's in our management team, we have the founder, the chief operating officer, COO, the VP of web development, business development manager, as well as the human resource manager. And last but not least, here is our organizational team. And we have the founder on top of it, Mr. Ariffin. We have the COO, Muhammad Ijlal. We have the business development manager, Muhammad Syafiq. We have the VP of web development, Phang Kang Ann, and we have Justin Wee as our human resource manager. And on the left side, we have our business plan title or themes, and we have the vision and mission as well as the story and the email of our company. That would be all for my presentation on team strategies and team management. That will be all, and thank you.
Hello, my name is Justin Wee. I'll be explaining the financial estimates and the milestones for the business plan. In the financial estimates, we had the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and the pro forma statement. Alright, in the balance sheet, we have our assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Our owner's equity total up to 811,000. we calculate the owner's equity by using assets minus liabilities. This is our income statement. In our revenue, we have revenue from Google Ads and revenue from food advertising. In our expenses, we have the expenses, promote expenses, which is basically expenses used to promote our app, and then utilities, rental for office space, and then wages for staff salaries, and then interest paid for our loans, and then we have office expenses and supplies. And this is our cash flow statement for the business plan. And then this is the pro forma statement for our business plan estimated for each month going forward. Next, I'll be explaining the milestone section of the business plan. In our milestone, we have the milestone table and the milestone Gantt chart. All right. So in our milestone table, we have milestones, date start, and then the end dates for each of these milestones, and who is responsible to complete the milestones. So each of these milestones, every member of our organization has taken some responsibility to complete the milestones. So in our milestones, we have complete mobile application development, register company, set up office space, hire staff, train staff, set up server hosting, beta test the mobile application, publish the mobile application, and then to market the mobile application, and finally acquire a target user population. Alright, next we have this milestone Gantt chart. Our Gantt chart started off with a register company, shortly followed by complete mobile application development, and it finally ends with acquire target user population. Alright, that is all from me. Thank you.
Alright, thank you to all the presenters before me. Now we move to the final part of the business plan, which is the conclusion. Therefore, by implementing this business plan, we are of course profiting out of helping out small SMEs by helping them advertise their product to a bigger audience. And far from that is to make a name for ourselves as a franchise that help boost tourism domestically and internationally by creating a platform to advertise local food to a bigger crowd of audience, either it be domestically or in terms of tourism in general. So as the business matures and grows in times, we aim to cater our service to a bigger stage with bigger implementation, such as becoming a mainstream platform for SME to grow their businesses in terms of advertising and be used all around the world. So it will be all from us. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you again very, very soon.